There are yearly changes in every school. This year is the popular STARS art program. Gabriela Pazantes has the details.
STARS is an advanced art program here at Washington Park School. This school year, a 19-year veteran, Ms. Castriani, has taken over as the art teacher and STARS coordinator. We wanted to know what the STARS program was about.
The STARS program is a program we have here at Washington Park School that's for students grades 5 through 8. And it's for students that really love art, have a love for art. And they get to do extra art projects. They come up here during their lunch and recess periods once a week. And we do some wonderful things up here with art.
In the past, students in 5th grade were asked to join STARS. However, since Ms. Conforth retired last school year, Ms. Castriani has changed the selection process. This year, she opened up the program to everyone in 5th grade through 8th.
I know in the past, students were chosen if they were in STARS last year or previous years. Being that I'm new to the middle school here this year, I just wanted to make it available and open to everyone. So I asked anyone to, volunteer for it or be part of it if they wanted to. And the way they were chosen was they came for a meeting, they did a self-portrait, and then we judged from there. But most of the students that, wanted to be part of it became part of it.
The system has received mixed reviews from students, as they are not happy with the way new students were picked.
It was just weird because Ms. Conforth wrote down a list for everyone to who should go in, but it was good because we got more people to join who have never joined before.
I believe that it's a good opportunity to see how good students are at their art, and if they are, and if they get into the STARS program, they can get better and improve.
While some previous STARS participants disagreed, new students also had something to say.
Well, since I wasn't in it last year, I guess it was okay, but I don't really think it was fair to kids that were in it, that they had to try out again.
You should just be able to sign up and be in it, because that way other kids can get the opportunity to be in it.
As with any change, students are adjusting to a new teacher.
I think she's doing pretty good, considering the fact that everything's all organized. I think she's a very organized person, and I think we can all benefit from that.
I think she's doing really good keeping up with it all, considering we've only had 3 classes with it so far, and it's really fun, but I do miss Ms. Conforth.
Their opinions, however, didn't stop their desire to join the program. Many students were accepted. The first assignment focused on the Zentangled project.
Right now, all the grades 5, 6, 7, and 8, are all working on Zentangle projects. Zentangles, and the Zen comes from the feeling of relaxation. It's part of Buddhism and that. It's a Japanese form of art. And it's really basically doodling. So each grade level is doing something different with the Zentangles. Right now we have a 7th grade class. They're working on Zentangle animals. The grade 8 is working with watercolor and Zentangles. The 5th grade is working on initials, like letters, Zentangle. So every level is doing something different. Grade 6, I believe, is doing leaves and feathers with Zentangle. So each group has a different theme, but it's all Zentangles.
The students and Ms. Castriani say they are both enjoying how the program is progressing. When asked, Ms. Castriani said her job is a labor of love.
I really enjoy the students that enjoy art. I really enjoy coming up with developing, more intense art projects for those students.
Students say they are ready to meet the challenge of high expectations. So far, the STARS program is a work in progress. If you have a passion for art, you are encouraged to sign up and develop your creativity. Gabriela Pazantes, TBN.